Namaste everyone, I am English here. Welcome to English School. And today's lesson is about the verb would and how to use it. So it's an auxiliary modal verb. I have some different example of how the word would is used in different kind of sentences. So let's get started. First of all, you can use it in a question. You are offering somebody something like, would you like a cup of tea? So it's a polite way of asking a question to someone, so you can use it for polite question. Then the another is it calls conditional. Conditional means imaginary situation, like you are imagining, if I own a lot of money, then what would I do? Someone would ask you, what would you do if you own a lot of money? So it's just imagining, it's not happening at the present time, and it will happen or not, you don't know also. So it's just imagining a possible future thing. So then let's have a look at the next one. uh, you can use all of these question words, who, where, when, how, why, what, what would be the best way to get this job. When would you like to travel? Where would you like to go today, if you are making plans for today? Yeah, if you told somebody some interesting news, then what would he react? What would she react? So you can use like this also for these question words. Then the last one is preference. It means preferring one thing with one thing rather than another thing. इसका मतलब यह है कि आपके घर में कोई गेस्ट आया है और आप उन्हें कॉफ़ी और चाय के साथ जूस भी ऑफर कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि आपको पता नहीं वो कौन सा लेंगे. सो इट मीन्स वन थिंग विथ वन थिंग rather than another thing. Like I would like to drink, I would prefer to drink tea than coffee in the evening. Yeah, ma'am, you like to wear red clothes or black clothes, I mean black clothes rather than uh, white. So like this you can use it. And I hope you can understand, and if it helped you and you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and we will meet very soon in my next video. Till that, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.